Hey everyone, welcome to Class Fitsugar. I'm your trainer, Ashley Joy, and today we have a 10-minute EMOM workout. Every minute on the minute. Who is ready?
Woo,
I'm ready. Let's get it.
Yes, we have 5 exercises. We're gonna go 2 rounds through, 10 minutes, full body. Let's get it. All right, we're gonna do high knees. Start in the middle, start in place, and we're gonna move laterally. When you get to one side, that's 1. We have 10 total. 2. There it is. 3. Come on. 4. Go at your own pace. You can go faster. Remember, we have a whole minute to get through everything. Whenever you get to 10, you stop, and then that is your rest. I don't know where I'm at. Where are you at, Nikita?
I'm about to hit 10.
All right, we're at 10. Woo! Yes.
Yeah.
Good job. So,
Woo.
we have 30 seconds, 20 seconds. You can still be going until you get to 10 is how we are doing this. Up next, we have a reverse lunge. I'm gonna show you. We're gonna go into reverse, reverse, and then we're gonna go into a plyo. And that is 2. You ready? On the minute, let's go. Into your reverse lunge, hit the plyo, or follow Tiffany. This is 3. Your plyo will be 4. Whoa! I almost went over. There it is. Okay, this is halfway. This is hard.
Woo.
Come on. We're not gonna get much of a rest here, huh? Unless you are Nikita over there, who's a road runner, right? And then if you don't get to 10, it's totally fine. Work the whole minute, and then we'll be on to the next. Nikita, where are you at?
I just hit my 10.
Yeah, I got one more. Reverse, reverse, I'm gonna make it.
Woo,
I'm gonna make it. Woo. And then, yes, next one. Plank up downs, go down to the ground. On your knees or up onto your toes. You can add a push-up, just give me 10. Remember, try to keep your hips from swaying back and forth and alternate the arm that comes down. Add a push-up if you can. You can do this. Come on.
Woo.
Where are you at?
This is my 6th.
Hey, I'm right behind you. Come on. I got 2 more.
Woo. Woo.
This is real.
I'm adding a push-up right here. Ah. All right. Woo-hoo-hoo.
That one got me.
Full sit-ups.
Yeah.
Full sit-ups. On your butt. Lay down. Here we go. We'll sit up, and control the twist on the down. 1. There it is. And up. Woo! Talk about heart rate is up. Stay focused. Understand this is made to be challenging. So, go with it. All right, Nikita, where are you at?
Whew, I'm about to get 2 more right in.
Okay, so she's at 8. Come on. 3. Come on. Tiffany, where you at?
One more after this.
Yeah, we're together.
Yes.
Last one. Woo! 5, 6 seconds. We're gonna set up for a side plank. Follow Tiffany for her options. Stack your feet if you want to. We're gonna give me 10 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can stagger your feet as well. 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna stop counting. Because counting while actually working is so hard. I'm sorry. I had like a moment, like, wait, which side should I go? Here we go.
Math is hard.
I know. It's a lot. It's like social skills, math, geometry, everything. Okay.
Woo.
Keep that core nice and engaged. Exhale at the top. Remember, you can stack your feet if you want to, or stagger them. 2, I think that's it. 1, 10 seconds. We are going back up to the top. Every minute on the minute, baby, we have lateral high knees. Remember, as you get to one side, that's 1. Let's go. Woo! Go at your own pace. If you need to be slower, you're here. That's totally fine. I just want you to get through. 10. Oh, I wasn't there. Come on, deep breaths in. Bring in all that oxygen. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Drive those hands. Come on. I have 2 more. Woo! Yeah, this is where you get your rest in. You wouldn't think that the high knees is where you would get your rest in. But hey, it's good. Get ready for reverse lunges into plyos. Deep breath, focus. We got it in 3, 2, 1. Alternate. Your back knee can touch the ground like little kiss and plyo. Let's go. There it is. Reverse and plyo. Or you're following Tiff. It's okay I call you Tiff?
Yes.
Okay.
Woo! We love a nickname.
Yeah, it's a lot of focus right here. Not a lot of talking. All right, Tiffany, what number are you on?
4.
There you go. She's at 4 and we have 24 seconds left. Nikita, where you at?
Ooh, this is 6.
Okay. She has 4
moving.
more to go. I think we're gonna take the whole minute and just roll in.
Yeah.
2. Woo! Plank up downs. My goodness. This is amazing. This is hard. I love difficult workouts because they challenge you. And at the end, come on, plank up downs. At the end, we have gotten through something tough, challenging. This is life for us, baby. Add that push-up if you can. You can have a nice wide base if you need it. Let's just keep those hips from swaying back and forth. Come on. Woo! You can do it. 30 seconds left. Come on, add that push-up. Challenge yourself.
Oh, it's a challenge.
20 seconds. Nikita, where you at?
Oh, I just finished.
All right. Woo. 1 more push-up. Boom.
There she is.
Come on, Tiff. Let's cheer her on. Cheer you guys on. You guys can do this. 8 seconds. Let's get ready for our full sit-up. If you're still doing plank up downs, you have 3, 2, 1. Full sit-up. Push it up. Control on the down. If the twisting is too much, just control your descend like so. Okay? Push it up. That's 3 for me. Tiff, where you at?
4.
There you go. Nikita.
Woo!
She's like 18.
Yeah, right. Road runner over there.
I got 3 more to go.
Okay, you can do it. Come on. 25 seconds left. Earn your rest. Earn it. 20 seconds. And when you finish, Nikita, I need you to cheer.
Woo!
Cheer for us. Cheer for the people at home. 10
Y'all
seconds.
almost there.
Yep, up. I don't even know where I'm at. I'm just going.
She's got it. We got
All right.
Side
5 seconds. Get into your side plank position. Let's go. Straight up and down. You got 10. Come on. The sweat is dripping. We are getting it. Tell me when you're ready. Tell me when you're switching.
I'm switching.
All right, she's switching. Give me 2 more here. All right. Come on. We are coming up on the last 35 seconds. You can get through it. You can finish. Sweat is here.
Sweat
Your friend.
is
Come
here.
on. Focus.
Woo!
Hips down. Up. Come on, last 20 seconds.
Yes,
You can
guys,
do this.
almost there.
If you're resting, cheer yourself on. Cheer us on. 3, 2, and 1. You got 13 seconds left. Woo! You guys, stand up. Let's cheer everyone on. You guys are doing amazing.
Get it.
That was your 10-minute EMOM, every minute on the minute. Good job, Nikita, Lo, Tiffany, thank you so much. Hey, this time we did 10 reps. You can challenge yourself. Maybe you can do 15, maybe you can do 12. The beauty of this, you have a full minute. Get it in while you can. Forget the rest, add more rest. Make sure you cool down, and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye, guys.